You see my barbecue right there? You see it? I gotta clean it. I was sent this barbecue brush by the brand to test out and review. I just unboxed it. We just had a big cookout. So I'm cleaning the barbecue and I'll let you know how this does. It is from this brand OatisLife and comes packaged in this nice box, and the instructions are pretty straightforward. You're going to get the grill as hot as humanly possible. You're going to soak this in water, and then you're going to use the heat, the vapor, and all that to clean the grime off the barbecue grill. You're going to soak this sponge in water. You're going to use this scraper to get all the grime off, and then you're going to use this padded foam or this pad here to clean it all out. So what have I done already? I left my barbecue on at like 500 degrees, whatever the highest temperature would go. And I've used this to scrape everything out. And now I'm gonna use the new tool. What I do like is that it has a hook, right? And it comes with a hook so I can attach it to the side of the barbecue, like a nice angle. So I feel like I have a good amount of like leverage, comfortable, and let's go. Let's try it. Anyways, thank you to the brand thank you to OatisLife for sending this over to me. Benefits of having a pool. This is probably not right, so tell me in the comments if I'm doing it incorrectly, but I'm gonna soak this in my pool water, okay? Come closer. Scrape anything that's left. It's good. I thought it was pretty clean. Again, don't judge me. You know what I like? That because of that's hot. Because of the way that the pad is when I pressure it on the grill, on those grills, it like hugs it. So it's cleaning all of the stuff on the side, which I really can't get to using my grill brush. So I like it. It's good. The scraper is very high quality. It's definitely grabbing grime, scraping it, picking it up. So if you're interested, you're a bit on the fence, I would definitely give them a shot. I hope you found this helpful.